If you've never made money on ClickBank before, right now is the best time ever as a complete beginner. In this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can make money with ClickBank using TikTok in 2022. Best part about this is you don't have to show your face, you don't have to spend any money on ads, or you don't need any expensive tools. The strategy I'm going to be showing you in this video is perfect for beginners. All you need is your smartphone in less than 20 minutes per day to run this exact same strategy. So make sure you watch this video to the end, and without further ado, let's get straight into it. So now before I show y'all how to set all this stuff up, I want to show y'all a few examples of people running this exact same strategy and doing it successfully. So as you can see, this page, Manifestation 86, they got 1.1 million followers on TikTok and almost 20 million likes. Can you imagine 1% of that traffic purchasing a ClickBank product for $25? That's a lot of money. So as you can see, they got a simple bio. Find out what your soulmate looks like. Custom readings, tap here. So if we click the link in their bio, let's see what they're promoting. Open anyway. As you can see right here, they're promoting 4 different affiliate offers. I know because I've seen the name of these a bunch of times. So as you can see, Soulmate Sketch is a ClickBank product. Become Irresistible is a ClickBank product. The free tarot readings, ClickBank product. And the fastest way to manifest anything is a ClickBank product. And as you can see on this link, they got the hop link at the bottom left of my screen. So they promoting ClickBank products. They promoting 4 different ones using a simple one-page website like this. I'm gonna show you how to set something like this up exactly 100% free. You don't need ClickFunnels, you don't need no crazy softwares or anything like that. Everything I'm gonna be showing you in this video is 100% free to use. So if we go take a look at their page, we look at their last, let's say, what is this, 12 videos. This one got 13,000 views, 8,000 views, 9,000 views, 7,000, 9,000, 8,000, 930,000 right here. So let's click on it and see what happens. If you're seeing this on May 23rd, 24th, 25th, your future soulmate will have a deep convo about their feelings for you tonight. Interact 4 times to claim karma sucks. You can see this video is only 7 seconds long. I will play the audio, but it's going to be too loud. But they got a simple audio on here, a call to action. Click the link in bio to get your soulmate drawn. Can you imagine if 1%, matter of fact, let's do the math on it. If 1% of a million people went and purchased this product, that's 10,000 sales, not dollars. That's 10,000 sales. And I'm going to go over to ClickBank in a second so you can see how much the product actually costs. But if just 1% of those people that watch this video decide to go actually go through the call to action, which is clicking the link in the bio to get the drawing and actually go and purchase, that's a lot of money. And they made this video 3 days ago. It's only 7 seconds long with a background video and a paragraph worth of text. All of this stuff is super duper easy to do. You don't need to spend no money on advertising. You don't have to show your face, anything, nothing. It's like the most simplest thing ever. So if we go to another one of their videos from 3 days ago, it's another background video with text over it, 7 seconds long, and with the same call to action. Click the link in the bio to get your soulmate drawn. If we scroll back 4 days ago, it's another same thing from the text before. All they did was just change the actual date. They got the same audio, the same call to action, the same hashtags, all that stuff. So he literally just kind of like copy and pasting the same thing over and over every single day and just changing the dates with the text on screen. So all of these videos, I guarantee you, I can go pull it up on Pexels right now, which I'm about to show y'all where to get the videos and stuff. I wanted to show y'all one more example. Look at this. 20,000 views, 50,000 views, 10,000 views, 9,000 views, 60,000 views. This is a lot of traffic this page is generating every single day. And you know they making money from it because, as you can see, 18 hours ago, why would you post this many videos if you wasn't making money from it? That's just insane. So let me show y'all the second example real quick. Right here, Manifestation Lives in You, 229,000 followers, almost 5 million likes. Manifest the things you dream of, find your soulmate. They both promoting the same product. So if we click the link in their bio, let's see where it takes us. Boom. Straight to the affiliate offer, Soulmate Sketch. Are you ready to finally meet your true soulmate? This is a ClickBank offer, once again. So if we go to their page and look at what they posting, see what was the last time they posted. 3 hours ago. Your next birthday will treat you however you treat this video. Karma is real, I promise. Interact in 3 ways to claim. So that's leaving a like, that's sharing the video, and leaving a comment. And that's the way the algorithm works. The longer you keep people on TikTok, meaning if they watch this 8-second video twice, they go like the post, they go leave a comment, and go share the video. That's basically indicators to TikTok like this is a viral video, and they just gonna keep pushing it out. 3 hours ago, 11 hours ago, and they got the same caption in every single one. Find out what your soulmate looks like. Find out what your soulmate looks like. They just changed the audio, changed the text, in the background video and just post multiple times per day. These videos are only 7 to 8 seconds long, so you can pump these out all day. And if we go to the third example, this one got 137,000 followers, 2 million likes. Find out what your soulmate looks like. Once again, just click the link in their bio, see what happens. Boom. So they promoting about 5 different things: soulmate sketch, manifest, moon reading, make your own page like this for free, the crystal shop. All right, so here we got the third page, in tune manifestation. This one got 137,000 followers, 2 million likes. Find out what your soulmate looks like. Once again, they all promoting the same thing. So if we click the link in their bio, let's see where it takes us. Open anyway. Boom, they promoting the crystal shop. This might be let's see, I've never even seen this before. This might be a different type of affiliate product. As you can see, this is an affiliate link. As you can see, reference equals is the affiliate ID. This is just a different type of product, which is cool. It's probably some Shopify store. They getting paid a commission every time somebody buy a crystal. They got the soulmate sketch. That's ClickBank. You can see the bottom left of the screen, the ClickBank hop link. Another ClickBank product, another ClickBank product, and they promoting the same landing page that they using. So it's about 5 links. What is it? Yep, about 5 links in there. Now if we go look at their content, let's see if they're doing the same exact thing. Boom. Prepare yourself for Saturday. You are going to be so confused as to why everything is going your way, but just be happy and use this sound. At least save it to drafts. Blah, blah, blah. They all using the same trending audio. The SYML, Where's My Love, call to action. Guarantee they're using the same one in every single post. That was an hour ago. Discover what your soulmate looks like an hour ago. Find out what your soulmate looks like 3 hours ago. They posting consistently 3 times a day. Same caption. Boom. And guess what? All of these videos are, let's let it load for a second, 8 seconds long. They all doing the same exact thing. I guarantee you it's probably hundreds of pages in the same exact niche, doing the same exact thing over and over and over again, and basically monetizing their TikTok and getting in commissions every single day for free. Now what I love about TikTok is it's mainly an organic platform. It gets the same amount of reach that you would with Facebook ads, but 100% free. And like I said, these videos are only 7 seconds long. If you got time on your hands, and you know, that's not even really time, like 10-20 minutes a day just to pump out 2-3 TikToks per day to go and rake in commissions on autopilot like this, would you do it? If the answer is yes, let me show you step by step on how you can replicate the same exact process. So go to clickbank.com, go to the marketplace. You want to scroll down till you see spirituality. Click on that. If we go to the top of the page, this is where everybody's promoting the soulmate sketch. TikTok and social media monsters, telling you right in the title. This pays out on average almost, might as well say, $20 per conversion. Got recurring commissions, upsells, one-time fees, mobile friendly, has affiliate tools, and you don't need to be approved to run it. So you can literally sign to ClickBank right now and start promoting it. Has a gravity score of 256. That means 256 different affiliates who is getting results with this offer. And if we click on the promote button, you want to just grab your you want to grab your hop link and put in your information. Tracking ID for TikTok, so you can know it's coming from TikTok when you get sales. Or for demonstration purposes, let's just do it this way. Boom, copy that hop link. You're going to need that later. Now what you're going to need is that bio link. So as you can see, when those people have multiple links, you don't need ClickFunnels, Builderall, none of that stuff to set this up. Show y'all how to create a page like this 100% free. Just going to solo.to. I'm gonna actually leave my referral link down below so you can sign up to Solo. So I'm gonna call it one bio link for everything. You just come here, put in a username that you want, email, password, and you're good to go. This is what my Solo page looks like. As you see, I got my picture, location, name, TikTok links, and then my links right here where I'm promoting my courses and my YouTube channel and stuff like that. So to do that, you just once you create your account, you just go over to the dashboard area, scroll down. You can customize all that stuff on your own time. I just wanted to show you how to put the links in there. Go to links and embeds, click on add new link, paste it in there, and then the title of it, you could just put whatever call to action you've been using. Find out what your soulmate looks like. Paste that in there. Title, done. Scroll down to save. Now it's saved. All you want to do is go grab that link, open a new tab, And if you scroll down right here, find out what your soulmate looks like. Let's see. Once we click it, it should go straight to the affiliate offer. Voila. It's very, very simple. It only took, what, 30 seconds to do. And what I'm going to do is delete it because I am using this on my personal page. So I'm going to delete that. Click on save. Now that that's done, you know what I'm saying, go over to ClickBank, go find your product, which was step 1. Step number 2, which is going to go create your solo page, 100% free. It only takes 30 seconds to do, which is step 2. Step 3 is where to get the background videos. So to get background videos, 100% copyright free, go to pixels.com. And if we go to their page, what type of videos to do? You could do nature backgrounds, you could do city backgrounds, this is sage. You could do relationship. They got everything on here. So what you do is just search it. Search nature. After that, you want to click on videos. From there, we don't want the horizontal view because we posted on TikTok, and as you can see, they got the basically the phone view or whatever you want to call it, oriental, whatever. I mean vertical view. I'm tripping. So after that, you want to click on the filters and click on vertical. Now you can download any of these and use them as background videos for your TikToks. This would be a good one I would use. You don't have to create an account or anything. You just click on free download. And voila, as you can see, it's downloading to my computer right now. So while that's downloading, now I want to show you. Now you're gonna find some accounts you want to create your account after in Model. Now it's all about just uploading after that. You can use the same exact text that they use and the same music, the same captions, hashtags, all that stuff, and then you just add your own background videos to it. And you want to rinse and repeat that process 1 to 3 times per day. And after you hit 1,000 followers, you can add that link in your bio. If you stay consistent with this, uploading 1 to 3 times per day, you will have your 1,000 followers in about a week or less. Now, if you want to turn things up a notch, I highly recommend you go and check out my TikTok affiliate marketing course, where I show you how to start and grow your account from complete scratch to getting thousands of followers and, of course, thousands of dollars and everything under the sun. At the time of making this video, I got 7 video modules. I have the start here, the 0 to 1,000 followers in 7 days, blueprint, profile optimization, video creation, posting tips, done for you funnels or examples, whatever you want to call it. And I actually have bonuses. And at the time of making this video, it's about 20 videos in here so far. I'm actually making a lot of updates this week to it. So it's going to end up being about 30 plus videos by the time you actually end up grabbing this course. So if you're interested in that, I highly recommend. If you're interested in it, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video or in the comment section down below. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff, man. And I will see y'all in the next video.